My name is Sienna and this is Forever. Welcome to our first YouTube video together. I just wanted to come on here and introduce myself as well as tell you guys a little bit about Forever. We've been around since 1987. We were one of the first companies to enter the digital transfer media industry. And since then, we've achieved a lot. We've produced a lot of new products from our no-cut transfer paper line to things like Waterslide HD, and we were even able to make sublimation on cotton possible. As for me, my goal here is really just to be here for you all, answer your questions, give you tips and tricks with our products, and just give you as much inspiration as I can. As for today, I was just going to show you one of my favorite products, or better said, one of my favorite product combos. We're going to be working with LDNC, Laser Dark No Cut Low Temp, in combination with our Forever Hot Stamping Foil, which is really cool. It's one of my favorite products, to be honest. And yeah, so that's a plan for today. Let's just go ahead and get started. I took care of the first step already. I printed out our design for today with our CMYK printer downstairs. I chose this design for today. Since Christmas is just around the corner, I thought we could bring some Christmas spirit into this video today. So that was our A paper. What we need to do first is marry A and B. So this is, like I said, our A paper. You want to make sure you're printing your design in all black, 100% black, and you want to mirror it. So this is the side that you want to print onto. It's matte, and you can scratch off the surface just in case you're not sure. Whichever side you can scratch off a bit of this surface is the side you want to print onto. Like I said, make sure it's mirrored. And then you have your Forever B paper. This is what it looks like. Our logo's on the back, and this front side looks like white paper. This is pretty much your glue. It's your adhesive, so that your design is going to stick to whatever garment you've chosen for today. So we're going to go ahead and start with that. You're going to lay your A paper down first so that it's mirrored up to you. And then put down your B paper so that the Forever logo is looking up. And then you're going to take our Forever matte finishing foil. You can go ahead and close your press. So this is going to take about 120 seconds. If you're using A4 or letter size paper, which is pretty much half of this, about this size, 90 seconds should be just right. Yeah, so what we're doing right now is we're marrying, as I said, A and B together. So we're putting the adhesive onto your design, which you'll see in a second. And just so you know, our heat press is at 155 degrees Celsius, which for our Americans watching is about 310 degrees Fahrenheit. We've got medium pressure, which is about 2 to 3 bars. So it shouldn't be too hard to pull down. And yeah, that's about it for this step. And you just want to make sure once your timer goes off or when the time is up, you want to peel A and B apart immediately. So this is a hot peel. So we're going to take off our Forever matte finishing paper. Peel right away. Try to stay close to the bottom platen so you don't lose any heat. And there we go. So this was a perfect transfer. I'll tell you why. Everywhere where your design was, you guys probably remember, it was all black. And now everything that is white is the adhesive that was transferred onto your design. Awesome. So we can go ahead to our next step. We're going to take our garment. I chose a sweater today because it's getting cold in Germany. And what I like to do is kind of, with this press, it's really easy. You just kind of slide it over your bottom plate here. especially with sweaters. It's just a little easier since the material is already really thick. And it helps with wrinkles because if you have a wrinkle on the bottom, then it kind of can go through the shirt or sweater. And then we're gonna wanna pre-press this just for a couple seconds. With a shirt, you don't have to press as long as with the sweater. What we're trying to do here is just get rid of the extra moisture as well as wrinkles because those aren't that great for transfers. They can mess that one up. And then we're already ready to transfer our design onto our sweater. Let me give you a better look. So just place it wherever you want. I'm trying to find center here. And now you can see that your design is the right way around, so it's no longer mirrored because the backside with the adhesive is now facing down onto our sweater. And then don't forget your matte paper to protect your heat press. And this one's really fast. It's just about 5 to 10 seconds, and that's it. There we go. After this step, you're gonna wanna make sure everything's completely cooled off. There we go. Just gonna lay it down over here and let that one cool down. Oops, there we go. While we're waiting, we're gonna take a quick look at our hot stamping foil from Forever. So we have 50 different stamping foils to choose from. So I can't show you all of them today, but I just chose a couple that fits with our theme for today. Christmas vibes, red, gold, and green. We also have these different kind of patterns, as you can see here, also in variations of color. So yeah, that's what's gonna come next. Once our sweater is cooled off, we can peel off the foil and then we can get onto our hot stamping foil. I'm just gonna go check on my sweater here. Let's see. Yeah, that should be good. So I'm just gonna let you guys see how I remove the foil here. Let's have a closer look. So what you wanna do is you wanna roll this off. Just roll it like this. Awesome. We're almost done. You're gonna wanna put your sweater or your shirt or whatever you've chosen for today back onto your heat press. And I've already cut up some hot stamping foil just to save a bit of time because I wanted to do, I really thought about where I wanted to put the different colors. You don't have to, you can just kind of like place them on there as you wish, or you can just do one design in the same color, which also looks really cool. It really can do no wrong with hot stamping foil. It all looks really awesome. Okay, so here you can see I've got a complete arrangement of all the colors I picked out. The next step would be to cover everything up with your Forever matte finishing paper. Always protect your heat press. It's a good machine, treat it well. And then this is just gonna take about 30 seconds. Our heat press is at the same settings as we had before. And then you just gotta wait a couple seconds. And with this one, we also wanna do a cold peel as well. So it seems like we've waited long enough. Time for the reveal. Very cool. So this is really easy. You don't really have to be that careful when pulling this off. that's it. So let's just have a closer look here. You can really see the glitter and the amazing colors. They're very cool, very Christmassy. Yeah, and it just looks great no matter what you do. Amazing results. So that's it for today, guys. I know my sister's gonna love this sweater. I hope you guys do too. Anyways, thank you all for joining me today. I had a lot of fun, and I hope I could bring you guys a little Christmas spirit. Give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and leave any questions you might have in the comment section. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook just to keep up with us, see our latest inspirations, and stay up to date on the newest YouTube videos and when they'll be online. I look forward to reading your comments and to the next YouTube video. But until then, make sure your ideas last forever with our Transfer Media.